Once the highest and holy became the least and lowly. The prince became a pauper in a world without the sun. And the glory of this stranger shone so brightly from the manger that once we saw this precious sight, we knew the light had come. Once and for all, the Father sent His Savior. Once and for all, the earth received her King. And singing through the night came the song of the ages, a song of love that only He could bring. Once and for all, He is born. He is born. Once and for all. Once the world lay bare in winter, as the cold was lingering, when the tiny rose of Sharon came and clothed the earth in spring, and the seed of hope that long lay hidden, buried neath the sod, it blossomed forth in victory, the mighty Son of God. Once and for all, the Father sent His Savior. Once and for all, the earth received her King. And singing through the night, the song of the ages, a song of love